If you want to heat your above-ground pool without raising your energy bills, solar pool heaters are the perfect solution. In this video, we'll review 5 unique and top-rated options you can buy today. We begin with the AUKIVON 2025 Upgraded Solar Pool Heater, a standout for its convenience and performance. Designed with a curved HDPE panel, this unit efficiently captures sunlight throughout the day, warming your pool water without electricity or gas. It comes with adjustable support feet so you can position it for maximum solar gain, and it includes all necessary accessories, hoses, clamps, adapters, and plumber's tape. So setup is straightforward. This 2-pack setup is ideal for small to medium above-ground pools and offers reliable temperature boosts over time. Users love how quickly it makes a difference, especially when used in direct sunlight. For pool owners seeking a compact yet complete system with zero ongoing operating costs, this AUKIVON model delivers strong value and efficiency. Next up is the SUNHEATER S240U Pool Heating System, which is built for larger above-ground pools or homeowners who want to invest in a long-term solution. Made in the USA with UV-stabilized polypropylene, it includes 2 large 2x20-foot solar panels. These offer a massive 80 square feet of heating surface and can raise pool water temperature by up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit with consistent sunlight. It integrates easily with most existing pool pumps and plumbing setups. Though it doesn't come with a full accessory kit, it does include universal adapters and is backed by a 5-year warranty. With its solid construction and time-tested performance, the SUNHEATER is perfect for anyone looking to extend their swimming season substantially without adding to their monthly utility bills. Third on our list is the KIRUMIE Solar Pool Heater, a sleek, curved unit that combines performance with rugged durability. Built from heavy-duty HDPE and covered with a clear, impact-resistant layer, this heater is designed to optimize solar capture while protecting internal components from weather and debris. It also features telescopic support legs that provide stability and flexible height adjustment. The included accessories, hose connectors, plumber's tape, and mounting support, make it simple to install and integrate into your existing system. What sets the KIRUMIE apart is its modern look and enhanced weather protection. For homeowners in areas with variable climate or strong wind, this model is a practical and attractive solution. For a more budget-friendly and portable choice, consider the Game 4721-B SOLARPRO Curve Solar Pool Heater. This curved plastic panel is designed specifically for above-ground pools like those from Intex or Bestway. Its compact size and foldable legs make it easy to store when not in use, and its clear plastic cover helps lock in heat, boosting efficiency. While it doesn't heat water as aggressively as larger panel systems, users report a 5-degree increase within 4 days of sunlight exposure. For its price point and simplicity, the Game SOLARPRO is a great choice for smaller pools or for first-time solar heater users who want to try an affordable and space-saving option. Last but not least is the GOPLUS 2.5 feet by 20 feet solar pool heater, a flexible roll-up panel system that offers great versatility. This model is perfect for pool owners who want to set up and take down their heater seasonally or need to move it around for better sunlight exposure. Made from lightweight HDPE, it performs well even in cooler conditions, with a working range from -20 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius. It comes with hoses, adapters, and fasteners, so there's no need to buy extra parts. The roll-up design makes it a favorite among people who want a balance between performance and portability. It's particularly well-suited for medium-sized above-ground pools and can even be linked with additional panels for greater heating power. Thanks for watching. All the product links are included in the description below. Choose the one that fits your pool and start saving on energy while enjoying warm water all season long.